Hi, I'm Heather with Emassagechair.com, and I'm so excited to introduce to you the Synca JP-1100 massage chair. This is a 4D massage chair and 100% made in Japan. This is the only Japanese-made massage chair that features a foot roller. So it's got a really rejuvenating acupressure style reflexology foot rollers that go right into the arch of the foot. Feels fantastic, but you get it combined with 4D technology and made in Japan quality. So all of those things together make this one of our new best-selling massage chairs. So if you take a look at the chair from the exterior, you're going to notice instantly the quality of the build of this chair. So you're getting amazing upholstery made in the same facility that does the Nissan upholstery. So great stitching, just beautiful altogether. It's a synthetic leather that looks just like real leather and feels just like real leather, very thick. The padding is nice and thick. The seat pad is super comfy and soft to sit down into. So the color that we've got here is called the espresso. It's very rich in its tone, just lovely. It would fit really into any room of your home. So why Japanese would be that the roller technology really is very well done. So what you're getting in this Japanese massage chair is the dual head roller system, which is very, very precise. It's placing the rollers in just the right location to provide a very therapeutic massage. So not only will it scan the curvature of your spine and show you actually on the screen the shape of your spine, but then it will also scan for the neck and shoulder position. It will then allow you to confirm that neck and shoulder position to be sure it's just right for a very therapeutic massage experience. This is one of the only chairs I could say that could possibly replace your massage therapist. It's so precise. So neck and shoulder massage, very thorough, going all the way down the spine. This chair even has functions to target the glute tissue with a buttocks program. And then you also have a sciatic program. So even elevating the body up a bit with a really great air compression chamber that's underneath the buttocks, lifting you up so that your glutes are exposed to that dual head 4D roller mechanism. So why is 4D important? 4D in this massage chair is going to allow you not only the capability of a forward-backward motion as well as the out and in motion, but it's also adding to the massage that level of human experience of speed adjustment. A human massage is not going to go at the same speed continuously. It's going to modify and morph into different speeds due to the program or the style of massage that the masseur is performing for you. So you'll get that same experience with this massage chair. Something else that makes this chair astonishing is the level of adjustment that is capable. You have 12 levels of forward-backward motion on this chair with 5 inches of forward-backward motion. So if you can imagine, you have so many levels of adjustment. The massage roller moves 5 inches forward and back. You really can get a super vigorous massage or a very nice relaxing style. All of the massage programs on this chair are developed in such a way that they mimic a human experience massage. So not only do you have 21 automatic programs on this chair, but you have several that are targeted to literally every spot on your body. So you can find one for your neck, you can find one for your neck and shoulders, you can find one just for the shoulders. There's shoulder pressing, shoulder kneading, anything you can really think of is going to be accommodated on this chair. As I mentioned already, there is a glute and a sciatic program, so you are accommodating those regions as well. So those that have sciatic pain due to a piriformis injury, sciatic nerve damage, this chair is going to alleviate the tension in that muscle tissue, release that, and make it feel amazing. Also on this chair, you're going to have 7-minute quick courses, they call them. The 7-minute quick courses are fantastic. They target just that specific region that you need, and 7 minutes will get it released and you feeling fantastic again. So if you don't have, say, 30 minutes to sit down and enjoy a massage, 7-minute course, you're in, out, you've released that tension, and you're feeling great again. Now, if you could imagine that you're going to have a hot stone massage or something at a spa, this chair is going to provide to you that same experience with heat in the back of the chair as well as heat for the bottoms of your feet. So not only are you releasing the tension with the roller, you're allowing your muscle tissue to relax and circulate the blood flow into those regions also. So dual heaters in the back as well as the bottoms of the feet. This chair also features a full body air compression system. So they really focused on multiple layers to these airbags. They inflate gradually and they have specific targeted areas along them. So just to give you an example, in the arm area, you have some for your forearms here as well as your palms, and then your fingertips down here as well. You've got some air compression with the ribbing here in the hips. And then, as I mentioned before, there is an air compression chamber that elevates the glutes as well. Both the hip airbags and the glute airbags are going to provide to you that massage functionality of kind of elevating the glutes and going side to side, doing a sway motion for the hips to do some micro adjustments to the low spine. Now, if you move down into the ottoman, you have some air compression chambers in the back of your calves. They place pressure on the back of the calf, which feels insanely good, releasing the tissue in the back of your calf, placing pressure on the sides of the calf as well. This is going to promote circulation, again, getting some healing blood flow to the area. Move on down to the bottom of your foot. That's where those kneading rollers are. It's gonna go right across the bottom of that arch, providing a really, really insanely good reflexology style foot massage. So just really fantastic kind of all around on this massage chair. Now, as I mentioned before, the dual body scan is one of the hugest benefits of this chair. It's going to be precise, like a human. So what else could you need in order to provide a really therapeutic human-like massage besides the precise placement of the roller? So you have the speed adjustment, you have the in and out adjustment for the roller pressure, you've got the 4D to get you even more human-like, you have the heat, and it's just a fantastic chair. Now, one last thing I really wanted to mention to you is the bed position. Some may need to sleep in their massage chair or need to lie flat to get a very relaxing massage in order to alleviate that pain that you might be feeling, or just to generally relax. This chair has the bed position. It's 180 degrees. You're laying almost completely flat, which again is very relaxing for your massage experience. The remote, quickly, you have a touchscreen remote which allows you to navigate easily through your programming. Everything can be seen on the digital color screen. Now, this massage chair has been selling really quickly for us due to its high quality, beautiful design, and just, you can take a look at it. It's an amazing chair. We've been really, really thrilled and excited about it. If you have any questions about the Synca JP-1100 massage chair, 100% made in Japan 4D chair, please feel free to give us a call at 888-360-9996. Or you can email us at support@Emassagechair.com, or go ahead and chat with us. There's a little button at the bottom of the screen that you can reach out and chat with us live. Thanks so much for watching.